on the entry and the risk management plan. So after you identify the 15-minute POI, for example, in this area, you would place the sell limit on the POI, stop loss above the key level for buy and below the key level for long. So in this situation, we are looking for short in the eurojpy. So I will put my limit here and stop loss above the key level. And for the aim, if you check the 4-hour time frame, for example, in this example, if you see the candle is impulsive, you would risk, for example, normally you risk 1%, so you would risk normally, and for the risk reward ratio, you would aim for 1 to 4 risk reward ratio. How about if the candle, for example, is not impulsive and create a lot of weak rejection? For example, if we're looking for long, if normally you risk 1%, and if you see this type of weak rejection at the end, you would reduce the risk to 0.5%, and you would reduce the risk reward ratio from 1 to 4 to 1 to 3 risk reward ratio.